Oh man, what is up, YouTube? I know y'all haven't really seen me for the last week. First off, if y'all new to my channel, welcome to my channel, Sean P Reviews. And if you're subscribed, thank you for subscribing to my channel. You have to excuse me a minute. I've been sick the last couple of days. I'm taking this cough medicine right now. So let me go ahead and take this to the head right quick. Oh my God, it does not taste good at all. Can you believe you get carded for this? I can't believe that. I got carded and I just spilled some on my leg, but oh well. I can't believe you get carded for cough syrup. I can't even talk. But this video is my weekly yeared update. I'm on week 22 of my yeared. And what is there to update on my yeared? Amazon has not said nothing to me about my beard yet, and I'm hoping they never will. And you would think I would promote my channel and all that stuff, but I don't really promote it for that reason, because somebody at Amazon might see the video on, might go on YouTube and see my video and be like, man, that dude look familiar. Oh man, he works at Amazon. And then it brings attention to the beard, and then they be like, man, Sean, that beard is kind of it's getting long. You might have to do something with that. So I don't really promote my channel like that. Plus I kind of like being under the radar anyway, But what else is there to update on the yeared? Forgot to take my multivitamin a couple of days, for 2 days straight. I just forgot to take it because normally I kind of follow the instructions, even though sometimes I just take it without eating a meal. I just been forgetting to take them, because normally I take them with a meal, try to help it incorporate into my system a little bit better. But I just haven't really been consistent with taking the multivitamins, the biotin, and the fish oil and all that stuff. So yeah, forgot. That's probably the reason why I got sick to begin with, because normally I keep up with that stuff, but I noticed when I didn't take the multivitamins that I got sick. So and for those of y'all out there that don't think multivitamins work, they do. It's just not in the form of food. You get your nutrients. Really, the best form of getting nutrients into your body is from food, but multivitamin is just a supplement for what my diet's lacking. So but what else is there to update on the yeared? The whole stuff with the low porosity. I kind of been wearing my products a little bit differently than what you're normally accustomed to seeing on YouTube. You see people with their routines, they'll put their oil on first, then their balm. I've been kind of doing the opposite of that. I've been putting on either if it's a balm or butter, I put the balm or butter on first, then the oil to seal in everything. So I kind of been messing around with that. That's been kind of working good for me. But the whole stuff with the low porosity, I've said that last week on my last update, I highly encourage people to do that test, because you really find out what oils are going to work for your beard and what's not, instead of just a lot of lighter oils are going to work for my beard, like the jojoba oils and the sweet almond oil and argan oil. All them oils will work for my beard because those are lighter oils and they get into the hair shaft easier because they're light. Like the thicker oils, like the castor oil and the Jamaican black castor oil and all those thicker type oils are not going to really work for my beard unless you have a high porosity beard. That will work for you. But when it comes to the type of oils that you should use on your beard, I highly encourage people to do that test, because you find out a lot about your beard doing that test. So once I learn how to put links in videos, I will put a link to the video or put the cards, whatever, show up on the video, and y'all can check out my video on low porosity. Black Man's Beard has a video on low porosity beards and what to do. He also has a video on the type of oils that you should use on a low porosity beard. And if y'all are not subscribed to this man's channel, please subscribe to this man's channel. Black Men's Beard. He puts out great information on taking care of your beard. And I know I constantly talk about his channel. That's because he puts out good information. Like if I talk highly of somebody, that's because they're putting out good content. And that goes for a lot of these YouTubers out here. Like I could go on and on. I mean, I could Dan C, Beard Times with Scott, No BS Reviews, Scuba. I can go on and on all day. I mean, B Dot, D High, all of them guys. Like Darius Lumpkin. There's a lot of good YouTubers putting out information. So, but that's just me going on and on. Please do that porosity test if you have not done it, because you're probably wondering, man, I use this oil but my beard's dry, you know, and that's probably why, because you have everybody's different. Everybody has different type of hair. Not everybody's the same. So I highly encourage people to do that test. And what else is there to update on the beard? I haven't talked about the most important part, the beard part. Like, has it it's like I don't really notice growth. I think I'm like at a plateau right now. I don't know. I mean, people tell me they see it coming in, but like I said before, I see my beard every day, so I don't really notice like stuff like that. And the mustache is coming in, and I keep trimming at it and I keep messing with it, because once it gets over my lip, it just like it's a pain in the butt. I've had people tell me to watch videos on how to tame it and just tame the mustache. And I'm kind of at the point where a lot of people, when they trim their mustache, when it gets over the lip, like mine is getting to that point, when it gets over their lip, they trim it. And for me, that's what I do, because it's a pain in the butt, because I let my mustache wolf out. Like I just let it completely grow, and it would like I had hairs reach the bottom of my lip. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with the mustache. I think I'm just gonna let it grow, and I don't know how I'm gonna like tame it, because I got mustache wax, but I don't really use it. I'm not consistent with it. Like I don't really use mustache wax on the consistent basis. Now I was doing that when I was letting it grow, but it was kind of becoming like a pain in the butt, because once it got wet and all that stuff, the wax would kind of wear off and all that stuff. So I kind of am thinking about just I'm gonna just let it grow. I don't know how I'm gonna tame it. I'll probably blow dry it to go the direction I want it to go, and just like let it wolf out and see what happens, because I can grow a mustache, but it grows relatively quick. Like this area like of my beard grows relatively quickly. Like this can grow real quick. It's like this, like these side, like the sides are real slow. And problem area, of course, is under the neck, because you can't really see under your neck, and that's really a problem area under here. But my like slow growth is like here, like up this area, and my like the faster growth is like here, around this area. Like you can kind of tell in my beard anyway, because that part's longer, and the slow growth is like here, like up here in this area. It just takes a while for it to come in, but it's coming in. But like I said, I don't really notice that stuff on my beard. That's pretty much it. People probably been wondering where I've been at. I've been sick. I've been trying to discover things with the low porosity, on how to really kind of take care of a low porosity beard. And that's pretty much where I've been. I just been kind of trying to do a lot of research on how to take care of a low porosity beard. And I did a couple videos on Instagram too on how to take care of it. Like deep conditioning helps a low porosity beard. And you know, deep conditioning is kind of relatively simple. Like I said, there's a good video, Bearded Existence did a good video on deep conditioning, where he took the Scotch Porter, and I said this last week, he took the Scotch Porter and the his like favorite beard oil, like customized beard oil that he made, and did a deep conditioning treatment. So I recommend doing deep conditioning for like a low porosity beard. Steam, I heard steaming the beard helps. I almost bought a steamer, like a facial steamer for your face, the other day off of Amazon. I still might do that, but there's alternatives to that. And the steamer I saw was like $70. So before I do that, I might try to find like a cheaper alternative. I might do a video on that, so that way people don't have to really spend $70 to steam their face or their beard or whatever. What else is good for low porosity? Just heat. Heat is good for a low porosity beard because it opens up that cuticle layer to let all the good oils and all this stuff in. So yeah, that's pretty much kind of like where I've been on terms of like not doing videos, because I've been kind of just really discovering like my beard pretty much. My beard, I don't know what I'm gonna put in my beard today. I'm probably gonna put in Chesapeake or something. I don't know. I'll figure it out, man. I got so many beard oils. Man, it's like you got like all these like oils and you don't know which one to pick. So it's like, oh, I'm gonna wear this today. No, I'm gonna wear that. So what else is there to update on the year? Can't think of nothing else that like of importance. No, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna sum it up on the year part, like on the yeared. Amazon doesn't really know about my YouTube channel. I hope they don't find out, because then it really draw attention to the beard. Been sick the last couple of days and haven't really been taking my multivitamins, so I kind of been slacking a little bit. And that's pretty much a summary on my yeared. And that's it. Yeah, I'm not gonna like drag this video on any longer because it's already long enough as it is. So like, comment, subscribe. I hope y'all have a wonderful Christmas. Merry Christmas to all y'all out there. I don't know when I'm gonna post this video. Happy holidays. Hope y'all get what y'all want for Christmas. I'm more into giving than receiving, so I'm not like really expecting anything for Christmas. Like, but I rather like give a gift and see their reaction and see how happy they get, and to like get one. So I get more fulfillment out of that. But like I said, Merry Christmas to y'all, to all y'all out there. Happy holidays, and I'm out. Peace. Cut the camera off, Sean.